Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, as I told you earlier in my previous video, I was about to make a video using the new skincare products that I recently got, uh, the one of the brand Plum. So, I haven't really opened these yet. They're still in the boxes. I want to open it with you all. I've already washed my face, and without any delay, let's just start it. I actually use uh, the Patanjali face wash, and you can see I have really weird spots on my skin. I don't know if the camera is actually catching it or not. But yes, but I think I had to start using these skincare products since I'm already crossing the age of 25 now, and I think it's time to actually take care of my skin. I haven't really done these things ever before. Yes, sometimes here and there in the parlor I go for the facials, or sometimes I just scrub my face at home only. But this time I wanted to try something new, so I've got these products. I was still watching the videos today, and I have a toner and a face mist. So I am not sure when I'm going to use the face mist, but I am aware about the toner because I already had a couple of toners before, and actually I just wanted to try them out. I don't really do these things, and trial and error keeps going on. Uh, so yeah, let's just get started. I have already washed my face. I'm just gonna use this rice and water niacinamide toner by Plum, right? So I'm just gonna quickly. Uh, oh, so fancy! It has this twisted thing on top to actually open it. You can see it's literally written here. I don't know if you can see it or not. So I have to twist it this side to open. Mhm. Hmm. Okay, the toner is on. I just have to wait for it to dry out. So I actually never really, as I said, I never really tried these skincare products before. And since I am closer to 30 than closer to 20 now, I mean, I'm still in the middle. I'm 25, but within some days, it's my birthday coming in, and it will be my 26th birthday. So I'll be turning 26, and I think it's time to actually take care of myself. Even in hotel industry, we used to do makeup, yes, because ultimately you have to, look the best when you're actually in a field where you have to face a lot of people, and grooming is the biggest part of hotel industry. So we did learn about the grooming thing, but I never really cared about my skin, like to do skincare. My only skincare was just wash my face twice a day, put on some cream, throw on a lip balm, and I was good to go. But now I just feel like even without the industry, it's good to take care of your skin. So I'm trying to do that. It's taking a little while to dry up. I know it always does, but I am a little impatient for these things since again, learning. Pardon me for the trauma. I will be a little dramatic when it comes to this because, haha, new to it. I'm very excited, honestly, to actually, see if it actually helps my skin. So, this is my first time doing it. So, I'm not really sure what it's gonna do to my skin. But I did the, patch test thing. I actually tested it on my hand and it didn't really burn or anything. So, I felt like, yeah, it can go on my face. So, but one thing I noticed, yes, that the skin was a little smoother comparatively than before. Uh, so yeah, I'm just hoping this hormonal breakout can go. I'm actually on my periods and it's my second day and I have recently started getting acne around my periods. So yeah, not the best. But it's never too late. And hmm, let's see where it takes us. Hmm. Okay, now I do have these two products. I've got a serum and a moisturizer, gel cream. I will be taking this serum, niacinamide, niacinamide serum. for all skin type. Hmm. So let's just directly let it. Oh, oh. Okay, okay. I actually saw a lot of videos to, even know the steps of these things. I didn't even knew the steps. So yeah, I at least got to know that we wash our face first, then we put the toner, then we put the serum, we wait for them to dry up, and then we can moisturize it, and we can lock all the goodness inside. Uh, so let's just see where it takes us. Abhi, I just washed my face and then I actually didn't scrub my face from a while now. So today I just did that. I washed my face, I scrubbed my skin, um, I scrubbed my face to remove whatever the buildup was there because I could see it in the mirror. And I was thinking like, no, it's time to do it. Actually, if I talk about the parlor, ever since I actually left the industry, ever since I left my job, I didn't really go to parlor. And even when I was working, I was trying to do everything on my own. Uh, the eyebrows, the upper lips, and everything. Since I also have PCOD and mild thyroid, borderline thyroid. So I tend to get facial hairs, not too much, but yes, a little bit. So I was trying to just remove them. So I did not wanted to go to the parlor every 15 days. So I was trying and learning to do these things at home only because eyebrows for Indian faces, eyebrows is something you cannot play with. Nothing should go wrong with your eyebrows. That's what I've learned because I fucked my eyebrows a lot many times. But yeah, we are trying to learn that as well. I think just the day before yesterday, I got this new eyebrow trimmer. Abhi tak to I was using that, the blade with twist blades. Like not the twist, like the zigzag blade that have like a long stick and you simply go on your skin. I've thrown it out now because I was absolutely bored with it and it wasn't really doing anything. So I actually got something. I'll show it to you. Hold on. So I actually got this. I was thinking to get this for the longest time, but again, the contemplation always wins before actually buying anything. So I bought this recently and it's really nice. It's very powerful. So it has all of these things, right? So it comes with a charging lead, the actual thing, and then it has things to change, like the head can be changed. So for my eyebrows, I used this one. So you can already see I used this for the precision and everything. Still not the best, but this was my first time using it. I personally feel like this was really nice, better than the blade for sure. Um, then it also comes with a head where you can just go in with your upper lips. So you simply just open it up, you twist it, it comes off. This is the space where the hair is all held. You take the other part, you just put it and twist it, and you can simply just, go in with your hair. Quite powerful for the size of it. Uh, then it also have this brush, this little tiny brush, just to clean up the insides and the hair that it collects inside. Uh, so it was actually a good investment. In fact, I showed it to my sister as well, and she was thinking to get the same thing because she also hates going to the parlor and the pain. We don't like that pain, honestly. And for me personally, I start sneezing every time I get my eyebrows done. So yeah, not the best experience. Okay, coming back to our products. The face wash is done, the toner is done, the serum is done. It is all absorbed in my skin, and now I'm just gonna go with this clear moisture gel cream. You can see it right here. So I've never really used this before. I'm excited to use it. So nice. Actually, it's very bougie, just for the looks of it. I don't know. Okay, this. is what is there inside this all white cream. So I'm just so we are Indians, we don't waste even a single drop of anything. So I'm just scooping it from the cap. I'll just go in with this. Wow, okay. Then I'll take some for here, here, and here. Hmm. Now I'm just going in directly. Oh, okay. So actually the products abhi tak jitne I've used, this is the lightest on my skin, I feel like, because yeah, again, not exactly a skincare girly girl, but yes, I have used creams for moisturizers, and I have different brands. I never really chose a single brand to continue on it. I have tried, experimented a lot, even just for the cream and moisturizers. And recently only I started using the sunscreen as well. Previously I didn't even use that because tanning was never really something that bothered me before. But then uh, the heat, the summer heat actually increased a lot, and I had to take it because my skin was legit burning. Again, sensitive skin troubles. Okay, this is all in. I do feel a little bit tingling, yes, but it's not like bad. I'm just gonna let it soak inside my skin properly. Hmm. So it's actually 12:25 right now in the night, 12:25 a.m. that I'm doing these things while I'm waiting for my husband. So he's also from hotel industry, and abhi tak to he was doing the morning shift for a couple of weeks, and today onwards his evening shift was back. अभी तक तो I was very happy कि हाँ he's coming back around 8 8:30 maximum 9, and then we were spending time together at night. And today I just felt like damn, I'm so bored right now, I don't know what to do. Even my pups, they were also bored because he every time comes in and start playing with them, and they really enjoy playing with him. So yeah, they were also thinking, I believe, कि कहाँ फंस गए हम, पापा नहीं आए अभी तक, where's our dad? Dad hasn't came. I mean, I'm just assuming. I'm not really sure. After all, you cannot read their minds, but I saw that they were bored for sure. Kabhi they are chewing on their toys. Kabhi they are fighting with each other. Not fighting, but like just barking and growling on each other. Kabhi he just pick. Kabhi they just take the clothes that are lying here and there. Uh, yeah, so they've been trying to keep themselves entertained. Otherwise, Jupin is here, so he always comes in and play with them. And like after dinner, it was his duty only to take them out. So we haven't really started taking them out on the road. Like, I mean, we don't really have a park available around my area. I have to go too far for a park. Right. So yeah, we haven't really taken them out yet, and also their vaccines are not complete as of now. They are still in process. So we don't want to take any risks. But I did brought leash today, and I'm thinking to take them out soon. Um, I'm just waiting for the anti-rabies vaccine and its booster. Once it's in, then I think I can take them out. But for now, I want to train them with the leash, especially Coco, because she's bigger, older, uh, more active than Melo. Though Melo has started biting a lot, yes, she's also teething. I mean, they are barely what, 3.5, 4 months old? 4 months. I think Coco is around 3.5, 3.6 weeks old. Uh, Mellow, I think they have like a 2 week age gap because ultimately I'm not really sure about their age gap. But yeah, it is what it is, anyways. Now I actually want to use this face mist because the tingling effect, I think the face mist might help me with the tingling effect. So I'm just gonna go in with it and we'll see whatever comes in afterwards. Oh, this is very refreshing actually. No lie. Green tea revitalizing face mist. I like it actually. It smells nice as well. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to get into my skin. I also have lip scrub with me of Dot and Key, but I don't use it very constantly because my lips generally they don't really tap as much. So I just simply go with the Nivea lip balm that I actually bought in Rishikesh only because in Rishikesh it was a little dry. Yeah, it smells really nice though, but I didn't do shit on my lips, I think. But I still like it because of the smell. We are going in with every single thing. I'm just waiting for my periods to get over and then I will use the hair care combo as well soon because I don't want to wash my hair during my periods because it's just a second day and before 3 days. I don't think it is good because ultimately it just you know it just gets very much like hair fall. It just makes me get a lot of hair fall. I don't know why, but during these times, and then also scientifically, it says that periods do need body heat to regulate themselves, and putting water on like cold water on your hair or your on your head actually messes with the temperature of your body. So yeah, whatever the reason is, I don't want to risk it because ever since we were kids, our parents, especially my mom, she told me to not wash my hair, and even when I did, I used to get a lot of hair fall, and I just assumed that it's just because of periods. So whatever it is, once the periods are done, I will be washing my hair. But till then, it's looking like this. And yeah, I think I'm done with my night routine, and I'm just gonna go change and lie in my bed because I don't know how long it's gonna take me long. But yeah, that's about it. This was our skincare for the first time, and I want to use it continuously, and I really want to see how it actually affects on my skin. But right now, whatever the reason is, it does look a little dewy, and I kind of like it. And I mean, it does feel a little sticky though, but I'm not really sure why. I'll see that. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, till then, take care. Have a good night. This was all about the video today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any good products or any good recommendations for the videos or the content, and we can maybe work on it. Till then, good night. Ram Ram. अब चलते हैं. Bye bye. Take care.